First grade, what's going on? Mr. Hunter here with your phonics and language lesson today. So you guys should be ready to rock, ready to roll. You're also going to be doing your worksheet pages 21 and 22. So hope we're ready for that. Leaning in because I'm getting ready for class. I'll go over the worksheet with you really quickly. The letter formation that we're working on today is the letter H. Everybody say H. Think of a word that starts with H. Hello. Hello. Did you guys think of a word? Hand. Oh. Hi. Oh. Hero. Huh. I'm doing pretty good. How about you guys? You guys thinking of good words? Well, you're thinking of good words here. We have some words over here. So we're starting with the letter H. If you look at the letter formation, you're going to start to go down. Then you're going to go back up and around, kind of like a letter N, except the top has a little point there. All right, so you're going to practice writing all the H's all the way across. Then there's some words you're going to write. Hop, hit, ham. Oh, Mr. Hunter, I love ham. I probably should make some soon. Then you have a hen. So a hen, like a little bird. So hop, hen, hit, and ham. Then you have some pictures up here of some different animals and other items that are starting with the letter H. It says color all the pictures that start with the letter H, okay? And then at the end, bears love honey. You're going to trace the sentence and write it just like you guys have been doing. So really, really good work here. On number 22, or I should say on page number 22, you are going to fill the middle sound, okay? So I can show you guys here. You can see my worksheet here. All right, so everybody can see that. So it says find the middle sound, okay? Find the middle sound. So you look at this, or oh, ah or ah, like in octopus, and like in cat. So remember to start your letters at the top. This is important, guys. What we're doing is we're trying to get you again to really form your words, letters, and write them correctly. Dylan, I see you working. Jeremiah, I see you working very well. Sam, you just joined us here, but I've seen your work. And then Eliana, all of you guys are getting better, but guess what? We still have room to grow. So we want to make sure we're writing as neatly as possible. Make sure your pencil is sharpened. Make sure you are writing carefully and not rushing through. So you have these words here. We don't know what the word is. You're going to fill it with the blank. At and hat, or at and cat, or and octopus. So look at the pictures there. Go all the way down. Look at the pictures. You have 6 different pictures. You're going to see which letter you're going to fill in the blanks with, and then you're going to write the word. You're going to write it, trace it first. Then you're going to write it 2 times on your own. So when you figure out the letter, right? Figure out the letter, you're going to put it in the middle and then trace that. Then you're going to write it on your own twice. All right, so what are we doing? We're finding the middle sound, and then we're also going to go back up here, like I said, with the letter H. See all the pictures? Hop, hit, ham, hen, and bears love honey. Yes, they do. I use honey for my tea when I'm drinking it to make sure my throat is taken care of. Okay, so that's that. I'll get off that page there. We have some sentences here. We're going to talk about the state of being, state of being verbs, was and were. What does that mean? What does that mean? Do we all know what that means? I'll give you a second to think about it. All right, I'm going to give you 1 second to think about it because I'm going to type something on the computer here for you. All right, guys, so what you guys have here, you have your state of being verbs. I'm sorry, I had to pause the video, so if it jumped a little bit, but I paused the video so I could change my screen over so you guys could see. So what you're seeing now, you should be seeing that we have the state of being verbs. The state of being verb is something that does not show action, and then they tell about something that exists now or existed in the past. So the 2 state of being verbs we're going to talk about today are was and were. All right, and I didn't put an exclamation point there. All right, so I can't fix that. I think I can. All right, no, I messed up. So let me just leave it up. All right, so was and were are examples of something that existed in the past. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to write these sentences down. You have number 1, breakfast, blank, wonderful. 2, you, blank, out of town. Eliana, for number 3, Eliana, blank, on the bus. 4, Sam, blank, looking the other way. 5, Jeremiah and Dylan, blank, good. You have to put was or were in the blank. So you have to figure out which is the correct one. I wrote it here on my board, but so it's easier for you guys to see. I wanted you guys to copy these down, and I want you to put the answer was or were into the blank. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to turn it in. And this is just some beginning practice as you guys are studying the verbs, we're studying pronouns, nouns. So all this work is a refresher, some of it new, but these verbs are state of being. So they are examples of something that happened in the past. They exist now or happened in the past. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. I'm going to stop sharing right now, so you'll be able to see this. You can pause the video. All right, so you guys are good. We had a great day at our lesson. Hope you understood everything. You got your worksheet. You got your was and your were, your state of being verbs, and I'll see you tomorrow.